Hi, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review of the E-CiRCUiT MiNi power speaker. Don't know why my camera just decided to cut off on me. But anyway, where we last left off was I go on my phone and, put it on one of my videos.
Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review at Starlink.
So, that's it. Max volume. Let's put this in. Yes, the little headphone is connected and turn it on. Let's see how full, clear, and high definition sound this is going to sound. So, just to let you see, the light is on. In case you can't really see that good, so let me kind of cut my hand a little bit. There you can see the light's on. Now, of course, I am putting my own video, which hopefully, with YouTube terms and conditions, it shouldn't get a copyright strike on this video if I'm putting one of my own videos. I couldn't say if it's like some music video or some anime thing or AMV, but I mean, it's my own freaking video that I made of my own unboxing review, so there should be no way that I should get a copyright strike on my own video. That would be stupid. That's like saying, oh hey, you're fired for going to work on time. Yeah, that would be kind of stupid. Or it's like, hey, you drive your car. I'm going to tow it. Okay, what about... Yeah, it's just would be stupid. But anyway, let's hear it.
Weapon Pack Crusher. So, it's made by Ubisoft. I love the artwork on the boxes. The kind of like Transformers artwork. So you get two weapons.
Okay, it kind of sounds loud. I will give it that. It is loud on the speaker, so I thought that it was going to be like all cracked and muffly, but it is loud, so I will give them that. How clear is it going to be? Let's see my video.
Hi, today we're going to open up Pokemon Trading Card Game Free Card Booster Pack. Sun and Moon Team Up, the newest one that just been released. Yes, these are.
And let's unplug it and hit second.
For $1 Yes, these are the real deal.
I guess, for 50 cents or full price for $1 at dollar store, this E-CiRCUiT MiNi power speaker works. I mean, all it's really going to cost you, let me turn this off before the battery dies, it's maybe like, I don't know, $2 and whatever the tax is where you get it. Why $2 and something? That for the speaker, and if you're there, you have to put up a pair of, AAA batteries, a little 4-pack AAA batteries. But there you go, $2 and then plus tax, $2 plus tax. You can't really go wrong with that combo, but for $1, this is awesome. I got mine, like I said, in the clearance aisle at dollar store, which I'm actually surprised. A couple of dollar stores are now having their own little clearance aisles. It's not really a big full aisle, but sometimes they put like those little shopping baskets, not a shopping cart, but someone put it in shopping carts. Someone put like those little hand-carrying shopping baskets. There's one that had like a little aisle. It was like not really a full aisle, but like a half aisle, like where they had like the train cards and stuff on the shelf. So yeah, dollar store is starting to get a marked down reduced clearance section. Of course, each dollar store, the section is going to be different, and it's going to be their own thing. Some will have it in shopping carts, some have those little shopping hand-carrying baskets, some will have it on a shelf. But I think it's pretty awesome. I've been getting some stuff in the clearance rack that's like awesome. I got like a pack, like styrofoam cups. I think it's like 48 cups in there, because you got more because they're like only like the little 12-ounce cups versus like the 16-ounce cups or something like that. So smaller ounces, more cups. Got it for 50 cents. Got the speaker for 50 cents. So what I'm saying, check your dollar store. You can get a lot of great things at dollar store for 50 cents in their clearance aisle, or not aisle, guess clearance section or clearance spot would be more precise. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. Like I said, yeah, On Dinosaur Electronics, the only brand I trust for a Dinosaur Electronics is this E-CiRCUiT brand. I had, the little charging cables. Never had problems with them. They work fine. Speakers, they work fine. I bought one speaker. It was not this brand. Bought it from Dinosaur. Did not work. It wasn't Dinosaur's fault. It was the manufacturer's fault. They didn't solder the lead wires that goes to the speakers. I mean, the lead wires that go to, the 3.5mm input jack and the battery compartment, those were soldered, but the wires that went to the leads to go into, be soldered on to the speakers, those were not soldered on, so that's why it didn't work. Because they actually had screws on, screwed into a part. Oh, well, that's why it's not working. But yeah, like they sell other stuff there. They sell like these 4-in-1 stylus, ballpoint pen, phone stand, modifier cleaner and stuff. They sell these retractable, USB cables. They sell these little cleaning cloths there for screen cleaners. I mean, yeah. Every time I bought a tripod there,